Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another back to basics video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the single crochet. This tutorial is for absolute beginners, so if you are new to crocheting, welcome, and I hope this video helps out a lot. Alright, so last time I was here I showed you guys how to do a slip knot and how to chain. So today I want to show you how to do the single crochet. So I have a chain of 13. If you are unfamiliar with how to do the slip knot and how to chain, I will be linking that tutorial somewhere on this video or down in the description box below. Now what you want to do after you chain, kind of want to lay your chain out like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to start working into the second chain from your hook. So this loop, this stitch on your hook never counts. It's always the second one. And what you are going to do is simply insert your hook into that chain, into the center of that chain. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull up a loop. So you have two loops on your hook, just like that. And then what you're going to do is yarn over and you're going to pull through those two loops on your hook. And that creates your very first single crochet. Right, we're going to do that again. You're going to insert your hook right in the center of that chain. You're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through those two loops on your hook. And there we have created our second single crochet. Do that again. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two. Super easy. And this is the lowest stitch height that people work in crochet. And you can make all kinds of simple beginner projects, from scarves to hats, dishcloths. And I'm making my last single crochet and I'm pulling through those last two loops. Alright, and if you are starting a project with the single crochet stitch, it's natural for the single crochet to curl in this way, but the more rows you work back and forth, then the less this curling, the less evident this curling is. It actually flattens out over time. So what you want to do to continue to single crocheting, to move on to another row, is to chain one. So if you remember, that is yarning over and pulling up a loop. You have one loop on your hook. Right, then we're going to turn our work with that loop still on our hook, and we are going to go into the base of that chain one that we just made, aka the first stitch. Going to yarn over, pull up a loop. We have two loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops. And so now we can start doing our second row of single crochets. And this last stitch can be hard to see, what you want to do is keep count. When I started my project, I had 12 single crochets, 12 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'm making my 12th one here as soon as I yarn over and pull through these last 2 loops. Alright, and that's how you single crochet. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content like this. I post crochet tutorials every Sunday at 9:30 a.m. CST. So if you are looking to advance your crochet skills, I recommend that you join the team. And if you want to see the rest of my content, I have a host of other social media linked in my description box below. And until next time, guys, happy making!